Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls, welkom by ons sigwoorde lesie. Lys A vir kwartaal 3. Welcome to our sight words lesson, list A for term 3. Ek is baie opgewonde dat julle vandag saam met my gaan leer. I am so very excited that you are learning with me today. Ons gaan na prente kyk, nuwe sigwoorde oefen, die woorde hardop saam sê en lekker pret hê terwyl ons leer. We are going to look at pictures, practice new sight words, say the words out loud together, and have lots of fun while we learn. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's get started. Hierdie woord is ek. The word is ek. Sê saam met my, ek. Say it with me. Ek. Ek beteken I in English. Ek means I. Luister na die sin. Listen to this sentence. Ek lees 'n boek. That means I read a book. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Ek lees 'n boek. Baie mooi. Well done. Kom ons leer die volgende woord. Let's have a look at the next word. Die woord is jy. The word is jy. Sê saam met my, say it with me, jy. Luister na die sin. Jy is baie belangrik. Listen to the sentence. Jy is baie belangrik, which means you are very important. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Jy is baie belangrik. Baie mooi, well done. Let's keep on going. Kom ons gaan na die volgende woord toe. Die woord is hy. The word is hy. Sê saam met my, say it with me. Hy. Hy means he. Hy means he in English. Luister na die sin. Listen to the sentence. Hy staan by sy tafel. That means he stands at his table. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Hy staan by sy tafel. Wonderlik, fantasties, baie mooi. Wonderful, boys and girls. Let's carry on to our next one. Ons volgende woord is sy. Our next word is sy. Sy means she in English. Kom sê dit saam met my. Come and say the word with me. Sy. Sy. Luister na die sin. Sy hou baie van haar rokkie. Listen to the sentence again. Sy hou baie van haar rokkie. This means she likes her dress a lot. Kom sê die sin saam met my. Sy hou baie van haar rokkie. Fantasties, wonderlik, baie mooi maatjies. Well done. Hierdie woord is ons. The word is ons. Sê saam met my, ons. Say it with me, ons. Ons beteken we. Ons means we in English. Luister na die sin. Ons is almal saam by die skool. Listen to the sentence. Ons is almal saam by die skool. Sê die sin saam met my. Ons is almal saam by die skool. Say it with me. Are you ready? Ons is almal saam by die skool. Baie mooi, fantasties julle. Well done, boys and girls. Let's continue. Hierdie woord is hulle. The word is hulle. Sê saam met my, hulle. Say it with me. Hulle. Hulle beteken they. Hulle means they in English. Luister na die sin. Listen to this sentence. Hulle speel buite met 'n sokkerbal. Listen to the sentence. Hulle speel buite met 'n sokkerbal. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Hulle speel buite met 'n sokkerbal. Fantasties, wonderlike werk almal. Kom ons hou so aan. Well done boys and girls. Let's continue. Hierdie woord is die. The word is die. Say saam met my. Say it with me. Die. Die beteken the. Die means the in English. Luister na die sin. Listen to the sentence. Die appel is rooi, which means the apple is red. Please repeat after me. Sê die sin saam met my. Die appel is rooi. Wonderlik maatjies, wonderful friends. Let's continue. Hierdie woord is 'a. The word is 'a. Say saam met my, say it with me. 'A. 'A beteken 'a. 'A means 'a in English. Luister na die sin. Ek sien 'n hond. Listen to the sentence. Ek sien 'n hond. That means I see a dog in English. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Ek sien 'n hond. Well done boys and girls. Baie mooi, baie oulik. Ons volgende woord is die woord is. Our next word is the word is. Sê saam met my. Say it with me. Is. Is beteken is. Is means is in English. Luister na die sin. Listen to this sentence. Ek is baie opgewonde vir môre. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Ek is baie opgewonde vir môre, which means I am very excited for tomorrow. Volgende is die woord het. Next is the word het. Sê saam met my. Say it with me. Het. Het beteken have or has. Het means have or has in English. Luister na die sin. Listen to the sentence. Ek het 'n skooltas. Ek het 'n skooltas. Sê die sin saam met my. Say the sentence with me. Ek het 'n skooltas, which means I have a school bag in English. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done. Great work. Sê die woorde saam met my. Say the words together with me. But before we do that, quickly listen to the words as I say them. Luister gou na die woorde. Ek, jy, hy, sy, ons, hulle, die, is en het. Right, listen again. Ek, jy, hy, sy, ons, hulle, die, is en het. Right, boys and girls. I am now going to say them slowly so that you can repeat after me. Are you ready? Is julle reg? Let's go. Ek, your turn. Jy, hy, sy, ons, hulle, die, is, het. Well done, boys and girls. Baie mooi maatjies. Right. Let's do it one last time. Let's go. Ek, jy, hy. Please repeat after me. Sy, ons, hulle, die, is en het. Well done, boys and girls. Baie mooi maatjies. Ek is baie trots op elkeen van julle. I'm very proud of each and every one of you.